So I've been getting some questions recently about naming. And so, here at Organic Chemistry Decoded, we're all about breaking down organic chemistry. You guys can ace the exam. So we're going to go through some naming practice problems. So we have this molecule right here, and we're going to name it using IUPAC nomenclature. Remember, the first thing we need to do is find that biggest chain. So we start here, and is it this way or is it this way? So let's number it. Use red. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or if we go this way, it's 5, 6, and 7. We're going to erase this. So this is our chain. And so that's our base chain or parent chain. However, your professor calls it. Just use how they call it. Use their naming. So, I want you to get full credit. So, and then what is a 7-membered alkane? That is a heptane. Put that here. Heptane. That is the parent, molecule. And then so we have a methyl group, and we have a chloro group, and we have an ethyl group right here. So remember, we need to label this in a way that it gives the substituents, like these here, the lowest possible numbers. So actually, to do that, we have to flip how we did the numbering. So you're going to erase this, and then come in here. We're going to label it the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. That way, we have our methyl at the 3 position and our chloro and ethyl at the 4 position. And then for IUPAC naming, remember we name them in alphabetical order. Luckily, chloro and ethyl are at the 4 position, so they're already in front. So we would have for chloro, put a dash there. My handwriting's terrible, I'm sorry. For ethyl, and then we would have 3 methyl. And then we would put all that together. What happened? What's going on there, guys? Um, Here we go. So then our final name be 4-chloro, 4-ethyl, 3-methyl heptane. So just remember, when you're naming these things, find the longest straight alkyl chain in the group, and then list out the substituents, and then number it in a way that those substituents are going to have the lowest possible numbers, and then you list them in alphabetical order. Okay, I hope this video was helpful, especially for those asking about naming. As always, if there's something you're unsure of or something you want to see a video on, drop it below in the comments. And as always, my DMs are open. I do answer them. So if there's something you're struggling with in class or you have a practice problem or something you got wrong in the exam that you don't understand, just send me a DM, send it to me, and I'll walk you through it and I'll make a video on how you can solve it.